Hi, Todd here. I'm going to talk to you about embedding YouTube videos. Now, what we do with Tube Pro is take the pain and suffering out of embedding YouTube videos. Now, we've all had to do it. We've all had customers who want to do this. Everybody loves video, and we all know what it looks like. You come out to YouTube, you pick the video you want, you come down to share, pick your options, check all these boxes, all this other stuff, and then you copy and paste this iframe code into your blog or forum or wherever you're trying to show this video. There's a couple problems with this. One of the biggest problems is that you can't choose your splash screen. Like this particular video I just picked and put it on my blog. And it looks like this. Now, there's some really good imagery inside of this video. This particular picture is not what I would have chosen to advertise this. The other problem is if I want to make any changes to this, come back out to YouTube, come back into the share code, pick my new options, have it change this embed code, and then go back over to my blog and make those changes myself. Unless I feel like making those changes like directly in the HTML, but who's got time for all that? With our software, all of this is handled for you. It's easy, it's quick, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. We're going to go through an installation, we're going to go through some configuration, and I'm going to show you what I think is really cool. All right, installation. Installation looks like this. After you purchase the software, you're going to land on the plugin download page, and it's going to look something similar to this. You're going to click here to downloading software, and make note of this. You're going to need this license key and registration email. This is what you use to purchase it, and this is how you're going to register your software. Then you're going to come over to your site, whichever site that might be. You're going to go plugins, add new, upload, and install the software. Activate the software. And there you go, version 1.0. Now something else is fun. You've probably bought some software on through the Warrior forums before. Rarely do people let you automatically use the WordPress update functionality. We have built this right into this plugin. So when there's updates, you're not going to have to reinstall the software. You're just going to see it right here. It's going to say that there's an update to version 1.1 or 1.2 or whatever it is. And you're going to click on update, and it's just going to work automatically. Now that we have it installed, that's it. That's everything as far as the installation goes. And now we're on to configuration. Okay, this is the video. We're going to go with this video here. I want to do something with this video here, but I need it to just be a little bit better. So you can come out to the video you want to share, click on the share button, and get this URL right here, this first one that pops up. And you're going to go, and that is what you're going to put in right here, video link. We're going to give it a quick description, 702 rentals. We have the initial video image. Like I said, I don't like this particular image. It's not the one that I would have chosen. Instead, what I've done is picked something from more like the middle of the video, where it's just a little bit more elegant, a little bit nicer. And we're going to make that the splash screen, not this. Upload that file. Vid splash it is, and we're set. I like this classic button for the play. We're going to pick the width, and I don't want any of the YouTube stuff. We're going to get rid of the logo. I don't want the info. I don't want related videos when we're done, and that's it. We hit save. All we have to do now is copy and we paste it in the shortcode. Come down here and hit update, and refresh our demo site and take a look and see what's going on. There's the original video, and there's the nice new version. This version is clean and professional and ready to go anywhere on a protection website, and it doesn't look like a YouTube video, certainly not right off the bat. And now if you want to make changes to it, you don't have to go back out to YouTube. You don't have to come up with new copy and paste code. You simply come back into your WordPress backend, make the adjustments, and hit save on any of these things, and the shortcode will just immediately work as you want it to now. Okay, now let's talk about bells and whistles. I really like the bells and whistles. I'm not going to spend a lot of time describing this. I'm just going to go show them to you. Right here in the bottom, you're going to see something that says video events. What I want is about 4 seconds in, I'm going to want something to show up. I'm going to decide I don't want my phone number to show up on there. I only want it to show for a few seconds though, and then I want it to just disappear. That's what timed events are all about. They take the time from the video, how long it's been playing, and you can show stuff as it's happening, maybe even connecting it to information that's actually going on in the video itself. So let's see what that looks like right now. So we're going to put our phone number. We're going to add this event. Now once you've added the event, you've got a new shortcode right here that you can put anywhere on the page that you want. For our particular purposes, I just want this to show up just right below the video. So we hit save. Let's go see what that looks like. Now the other really good part about this is that it's based, we're more than 5 seconds into this page load and there's still nothing showing up. And that's because it's timed to the actual playback of the video. It doesn't matter how long you've been sitting here. So this way you can be sure there's going to be a consistency. The events will always show up at the same spot in the video. All right, let's hit play. Video starts playing. We hit the 4 second mark, and there's a phone number that shows up for a little while. and now it's going away. Now I don't have to belabor the point here. I mean, I can show you tons of different events where they, can turn on and turn off and all this other stuff. I had a really great time programming this. My marketing manager came to me. I was just going to do timed events, based on page load. But then we started hearing about this other stuff. So what she wants is because she wants to be able to say something in the video like, call now, or you should take a look to the left, and then the phone number will show up right there, right as she says that every single time that the video plays. And that's what this gives us. She also came up with this other really good idea too, which is at the very end of the video, usually the YouTube pops up with all the related videos or shows you other things from your channel, and it would be better if you could just have something static, either let's say an opt-in form, or maybe you just want a marketing message or a phone number or whatever it is. That gives us this final thing, which is what we call the final event. And that final bit of code goes right here. It's right here on the very last of this page, the final event. Any HTML you put here, if you put any in here, will replace the video as soon as it's done playing. Not during pause or anything else, but when the video hits its very final last frame, it's going to replace the video with whatever you put right here in this box. For illustrative purposes, I'm going to put this, I have an Aweber form that I'm going to throw in just for fun. And then we're going to hit save and go see what that looks like. We're going to have that here. We're going to once again hit refresh. And we don't have to sit through the whole video this time. I'm just going to cheat a little bit, and we're just going to fast forward right to the end so you can see this happen. Pretend we hit the end of this video and our opt-in form. And this is what really allows this plugin to shine. Now, at the very end of this video, it's not just a phone number. It is an actual opt-in form, an active connection with the customer. This allows the business owner to really connect with their clients. It can be an opt-in form here, it could be a QR code, it can be any HTML that you would want to come up with. But it really allows the business owner to monetize their videos the way that they want to, instead of letting YouTube monetize it the way that they want to, which is not always helpful for the business owner. In fact, is possibly never useful for the business owner. But this right here is why my marketing manager asked me to do this in the first place. And it's not just useful just for your business owners, it's useful for yourself as well. You've got your own videos, your own way that you're trying to drive traffic. This way you get full control over your videos, and that's really what this is all about. Host the videos on YouTube, but control them the way that you want them controlled. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about is bonuses. They aren't really part of the product demo, but I wanted to briefly talk about them because they really tie into the plugin and show you how to make money with 2Pro. Now, I'm a programmer, so I don't really have anything to do with the marketing side of things. My marketing manager agreed to show you her step-by-step plan for making videos for clients at $150 a pop over and over and over again, and using 2Pro to close that deal. This is a great plan because not only does it reveal the exact niche that you can do this for, but she shows you how to do it without selling. Now that ties into the third bonus, which I can't believe that we're giving it. When she said we were giving this away, I couldn't believe it. For your first $150 deal, we're going to make the video for you. Granted, in the bonus videos, she shows you step-by-step how to create professional videos that business owners love with hardly any work at all. But that's just one more thing for you to learn, right? I'm sure you got other things to do. You can have our team do all that work for you. Even if you just want a demo video so you can easily show business owners what you can do for them, we'll make it for you. These are professional looking videos that Chris sells our own business owner clients. Don't worry, I did not forget about the second bonus. It is pure icing on the cake. Chris found that business owners like to brag about how many YouTube views that they've gotten. And where does all this bragging end? With you getting tons of referrals. So with the second bonus, one of our account reps actually goes through the process of optimizing the YouTube video, ranking it #1 in Google fast, and our secret sources for buying some initial views on the video. Just a little side note. The purpose of getting some views fast is to impress the business owner and get some traction for the video to rise in the rankings. When you buy cheap views, this does not equate in real sales and leads for the business owner. However, it does mean more clients for you, without you having to chase down busy business owners. So that's it, a demo of 2Pro complete with how to get a return on your investment with us. Can you imagine going through this entire installation and configuration and being able to close your first video deal today? I love my job. I really like being able to give you guys the tools that you need to be able to close the business deals that you want. I get to program super smart code, and yes, I may have been called a genius by some of my clients, and at the same time, my code helps you make money and your clients make money. This is what I live for. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the members area.